Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is tobiokes. If you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is tobiokes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick 5-minute makeup look using less than 10 products. I decided to do this because at the start of quarantine, I really wasn't feeling makeup like that anymore. I didn't really want to do anything, just to take a simple Instagram picture and just to post in general. So I found a way to minimize what I have to do in order to get a good look. So if you would like to see that, continue watching. If you don't, you can click out. I don't mind, but I'd like you to stay and see what I have to show you. This is my face without any makeup. This is just me, fresh faced. Just a little bit of lip gloss on because I can't be having dry lips to show you guys what to do. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to tie my hair back. Now I'm gonna be looking at the mirror, so just bear with me. Just to get the hair out of the way. I don't know if that really did anything. I think I'm gonna have to use a hairband. But instead I'm gonna take a hairband to hold the hair, just because as you can see that didn't work. So okay, to start this makeup look off, firstly I'm going to be using a bit of Nivea cream on my face, just because my face is dry. I literally haven't done anything but put on lip gloss. But now I'm going to be taking a bit of this on my finger like so, and then I'm just going to rub this on my face to get my face nice and smooth, because I don't use primer for this look, just because it's a look that I don't wear all day. It's just for a nice light summer day or something. Okay, this is where we can start counting products. So product number 1 is the Makeup Revolution 2-in-1 brush and eyebrow pencil, and I got it in the shade dark brown. All I'm going to be doing right now currently is just using the spoolie end to brush out my eyebrows. See, my eyebrows are looking a bit weird currently, but they're gonna get better. So now what I do is I take the pencil side and then I just fill in the end of my brows. I don't fill in everything, simply because my brows will look like thick chunky blocks. And I don't want flashbacks of what I used to do and how I used to draw my brows, because that was horrendous. To be honest, it doesn't really matter if this part is messy, because I always go in to fix it anyways with concealer. I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'll be grabbing this eyeshadow brush and then putting some of the Fawn on like so, just a tiny amount, and then I'll be shaping my brows with it. Look, I literally filled in the edge of my eyebrows, and why are my eyebrows looking like blocks already? I don't know. But I love them regardless, so we move. After hours of trying to get the packaging off of this, we are going to finally use the Primark makeup product, which is makeup product number 3, and it is the PS My Perfect Color in the shade Chai. So we're going to take a light pump of this, and I just go like that. giving
12 seconds later.
Okay, it was intimidating when I first saw it, but I think now it's okay. It's not as bad as it was, but it's blended in, so I'm fine with that. So the next thing on the list of Primark items to try, which I picked up, is the Color Grid eyeshadow palette. And I bought the eyeshadow palette with these colours simply because I knew I wasn't going to be able to do anything if I bought bright colours and a multicoloured palette. Now we're going to take a bit more of matte. So the next item we are going to play around with is the PS Jumbo Eyeliner XXL tip for a cat eye look. This was £2, so we're going to see how it performs. Even when I use a pen, I'm not that great at eyeliner, so please just don't come for me. I do my eyeliner the way I want to do my eyeliner, okay? Let's begin. But yeah, that's done. What I do next is I'm going to be using Fake It False Lash Effect Mascara, and this was £2.50, so we'll see if this one's worth the hype. Now, I can't lie, this is the one I was dreading the most. So I take this dark brown lip liner and I outline my lips with it. I like to go in with this just because I like to make it darker and look, you know, nicer. See, this is starting to look like the Tobi that I know I love. So now we're gonna go in with this. Lord, help me. No. Okay. That's it for all of the products I'm using, but now I'm just going to go in with the same products and I'm going to try and fix stuff up on my face, and then I'll be back with you guys with the final look. So I am back, and as you can see, I decided that that lip situation was not the right situation for me, so all I did was I simply wiped that all off and went back in with my dark brown liner and lip gloss, and I called that a day because that's what I'd usually do anyways. If I'm feeling fancy, sometimes I'd put on a lip colour with a different shade, of course. But yeah, so this is the look. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling it. I'm feeling it with the whole outfit and everything. I feel it's ready to step out, even though I'm going nowhere. Like, this is a nice look, and I'm actually quite happy with this look. How do you guys feel about it? I feel like with makeup I look my age, but yeah. If I was going for a full-on look, I'd do heavier foundation, I'd contour my nose, and I'd do all of that, but I'm not. I'm just showing you a quick alternative, so I hope you enjoy. So that's it for the video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and as always, comment down below what videos you'd like me to see. What? If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what other videos you'd like for me to do. So yeah, I like this look. I think I look cute for just a day out. So yeah, share, tell other people about it, and yeah, thank you for watching, and as always I'm wishing you peace, love and light wherever you go and whatever you do. Bye. I'm sorry wearing this outfit, so if you see this in another video, mind your own. Mama idea. Not at my wig.